So honestly, I thought I explained this pretty well, and I didn't think there would be questions, but since there's this question, let me kind of break it down a little bit. So the silent treatment basically is one of those things that if an individual does not get their way, in order for them to control the situation, to get their partner to react and do exactly what they want them to do, they will punish them with silence. This oftentimes looks like stop texting after they brutally, verbally obliterated you. This looks like just walking away and slamming a door in your face without even communicating. And this can even look like just standing there and like brushing you off, or like if you try to talk to them, they're just like, whatever, or they just ignore you and remove themselves. When you are in a relationship and you are trying to healthily communicate, or you are somebody who needs to remove themselves in situations in order to cool down before you can have the conversation during a discussion or an argument or whatever, you would communicate that. The silent treatment is done by people who are expecting their partner to fold and react a certain way, who will commonly get upset when their partner doesn't do what they want. This is an abuse tactic. It's very manipulative, and it also creates a trauma bond within you and your partner. So the silent treatment is done to punish a partner. You are somebody who needs space and time, and you do not communicate, but you just remove yourself. You are giving your partner the silent treatment. You have to communicate to let your partner know what's going on in order to have healthy communication, to be able to disengage from an argument or discussion, to be able to walk away and it be a good, healthy disengagement to be able to come back later. So it's not abuse to not talk to somebody. It's abusive to intentionally go out of your way to give the silent treatment because your partner didn't do what you wanted them to do. So you're trying to control for them to react a certain way to basically fold and give you what you want. Setting a boundary in a relationship would be like, I'm not going to talk to you unless you can talk to me with respect. And if you continue to disrespect me, I'm going to remove myself. They continue to disrespect you, you remove yourself. Or communicating, hey, I need to take like 10, 15 minutes, maybe more, and before we can finish this discussion. If your partner does not allow you to walk away from the argument after you communicated, that can also be used as abuse because they're trying to force you to talk in order to get you to settle the argument rather than giving you that space. So it's kind of like a catch-22 either way, like you can be abusive either way. But strictly in the video, I was talking about the silent treatment. Silent treatment is given when you do not communicate what you need, how you need to respond, or what is going on. The silent treatment is not done when you communicate, the partner doesn't give you that space, you remove yourself, and then they continue.